What's going on, guys? So, this marks 1 week of the boot camp for the 40 days. So, today we are going to get down into some more basics and fundamentals. We got break of structure to go over today. Quick little explanation. So, whenever you're in an uptrend, you're creating higher highs and higher lows continuously. Then, whenever you break structure, so you have your BOS or your break of structure, it's whenever you inverse and you start making lower highs and lower lows. That's creating your downtrend. So if we take a look over at this great example right here, this was from today. So you have your higher highs, your higher lows. This right here is your break of structure point, comparative to this one right here, this high and this low. This right here technically broke structure on this area. It didn't hold and continue to go down, but this is technically a break of structure right here. This right here signifies your break of structure from this low. So this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then you have your downward trend. This is where you flip and you create your lower low and your lower high. You got another lower low and another lower high. And it just continues. You can find this anywhere. Right here, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. It's super simple. You use it as a confluence for entries. So if you're in an uptrend, typically, unless it's going to be a continuation to where it's the beginning of a transition. So let's say you're in this for a short, this entire play down, and we break structure right here. Oh, that's a terrible example because it flips. Okay. Right. Here's a good one. Okay. So this is a continuation right here. It's just a big move up. So this is your higher high and this is your higher low. We broke structure on this candle. This is our higher high. And we continued up. We still made higher lows. And we made a higher high and a higher low. Then we had our flip. Lower high, lower low. It's super simple. Super easy to identify. It's just your flip in trends. So if you're in an upward trend, it flips to a downward trend, or if you're in a downward trend and then it flips to an upward trend. Super simple, super easy, but it is super important to be able to identify those mid-market action. So if you hop in and you see you're in a downward trend, you have to be able to identify if and when it breaks structure. Otherwise, you're going to be entering on hopes and dreams and you're just going to blow accounts and lose money. Without it, you have absolutely nothing. It's really hard to make money or become profitable or anything like that if you can't identify it. So that's it. I mean, break structure is a super important confirmation tool that we use, and we're going to get into that in a couple days. And I think 3 days, 3 days is whenever we start talking about strategy and getting into our trading plan. But that's just something to look forward to in the coming days. But I just want to, touch on it. How is everybody feeling? Y'all staying up with it? Journaling, doing the homework, everything. Journaling is the most important thing you can do when learning. It makes it to where you can go back, review your notes, touch on things that you're confused with. Just all around really important to do. I still do it. I journal my trades. I review them, because without it, I'd just be entering on hopes and dreams and I wouldn't make any real consistent progress. I mean, yesterday I took a terrible trade, journaled it, reviewed it, slept on it, came back today and banged out $200. So got my account out of the shambles. So now we're at a nice even spot where account's in the green again. Go check out the TikTok and the Instagram. See a trade breakdown of the day. I am going to post a little slideshow, I guess you could call it, to go over the trades and just give a visual example of what I took today. Tomorrow we got trends. So journal today. Your homework is going to just be going in the chart, identify 10 breaks of structure where you're creating higher highs or higher lows, or on the opposite end of it, you're creating lower highs and lower lows. Journal it. Comment if you got any questions. Keep up with it. We are a weekend. If y'all made it this far, you can make it the full 40 days. It's dedication. How dedicated are you to learning this skill? How bad do you want it? That's all it comes down to. You just got to ask yourself that. If you're not committed, you just go on. Go sit down on the couch. Go eat your bag of chips. Go play on your phone. Or you can take action and try to make yourself better for 3, 4, 5 years down the line. But hope y'all end up sticking with it. See, still going to be rolling out dailies, except for Sunday. Sunday is my day off. It's the only day I do absolutely nothing. Can't take my Sundays from me. This weekend on Saturday, we're still going to have a video. Not going to have any TikToks or anything because I'm going to be gone, taking a little day trip. But y'all stay safe. Come back tomorrow for day 8. Super excited to continue to roll these out. Be safe. Journal. Do the homework. Hit me up if you all got any questions. Check out the Discord. Great community based on growth. That's our biggest thing, is helping each other grow and to become better every single day. So hit me up if you all got any questions. Stay tapped in. Stay locked in. Stay dedicated. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.